Hey guys. So look how cute this guy is. Y'all, look at these. On the inside, they're polka dot. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it or not. But the outside is black and orange. The inside is polka dot. So y'all, I wanted this to be a super inexpensive item in my Etsy store, right? So completed, this one's gonna cost about less than $40 in my store, with shipping almost, y'all. I think it's like $42 with shipping. But this is why. Because we're gonna go super quick, super simple. I'm gonna build this out the opposite direction of his tail. That way his tail doesn't get covered. Oh, maybe I should do the same direction with his tail. Nah, let's go opposite. Trim this out. Y'all, I am gonna pull the curls out a little bit so that the polka dots show. Let me get this one bent this way, right? Then we're just gonna add a bow. Y'all, and then I chose this bow that has 3 different patterns on it. That way it would look like a multi-layered bow, but only use 1 ribbon. Am I gonna keep the original bow? I am. I'm just gonna let it hang out back there. All right, 12-inch tail. About a 5.5-inch loop. Y'all, and then I'm gonna add a little center loop in this one. What we're gonna do is, see how when it's hanging up, you can see this long stem right here? We're gonna bend that in, back into the bow. So that you don't see that random stem. Now y'all, what I always tell you, if you're in our coaching classes and we're telling you like how to run your business, is that you have to make people understand a very clear picture in your pricing. Very clear, right? So whenever someone gets to my Etsy shop and they see that this is $35, they're going to very clearly see why it's only $35, right? Super quick, super simple.